What's up, everyone? So, because LinkedIn is a public profile and it's available for anyone to see, something that people ask me quite often is how do you hide your connections on LinkedIn? Because you just don't want your own connection list to be public to everybody that can actually see your profile. So, the very first thing that you have to do is that you have to make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, you will head over to the top right over here where it says Me with a drop down arrow. Click on it and head over to settings and privacy. When you are in the settings and privacy page, I want you to look towards your left and click on visibility. The moment you click on visibility, now you would see a whole list of options over here. I just want you to head over and click on connections. The moment you click on connections, you are going to see connection visibility. So this option basically allows you to enable your connections to see your connection list of people that you have already connected with before, or whether you want to disable them from seeing it. So you can see over here connection visibility, you can toggle it on and off, and there you have it. So an example of how this would look like, if we were to head over to this profile, you can take a look just right under here and see 500 plus connections. But one thing you will notice is that it is grayed out and there's no clickable link. So basically, even if I click on it, it highlights it, but there's no way for me to see this person's connections. I hope this has helped you guys, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.